Ayan, thanks everyone sa lahat po ng nag-tune in sa akin pong live. Appreciated so much, mga vlog subscribers. Thank you so much. Lapit na tayong mag-end. Ayan, shout out po sa lahat. It's too late. JR Official, mega loud shout out bro. Ayan, meron na kayong jacket. Sista Mara, mega loud shout out. Marty Manarang, mega loud shout out sa Sikoy. Ayan, kapamilya, mega loud shout out. Alan si Pina, mega loud shout out. Sa lahat po na nag-tune in sa akin pong channel, sa akin pong live, Merly Season Vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Thanks everyone. Ayan, malapit na tayong mag-end guys. Bababa na ako ng around 10. Punta kami ng Shamshupo. Bibili ng toys. Ayan guys. Nagawa ako ng, anong ginagawa ko? Highlight. Ayan. Mega loud shout out kapamilya, members, Nanay Espina. Mega loud shout out, love and care. Ayan. And mega loud shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much sa pag-tune in. Ayan. James Group, thank you. Pangpong Girls, thank you. Ayan, bye everyone.